Creaform's and Virtek's unique scan, analyze, project solution ensures precise validation and real-time operator guidance, enhancing the manufacturing of high-value parts and assemblies. Creaform's portable, metrology-grade 3D scanners provide real-time visualization and capture highly detailed scans of parts ranging from 1 to 15 meters, with accuracy reaching up to 0.100 millimeters. The powerful, easy-to-use inspection module allows operators to quickly analyze parts by comparing them to a reference and extracting features, measurements, and deviations. Creaform now integrates Virtek's laser projection technology into its inspection software. This technology enables the direct projection of information onto the part to guide operators with precision. This solution helps reduce scrap rates and address costly manufacturing problems like repairing or reworking large castings to meet precise requirements, installing parts with precision onto complex assemblies, optimizing raw material alignment before long machining processes, and conducting ply inspections in composite manufacturing processes. Both technologies share a common coordinate system and are optimized for scanning and projecting on large parts. This proven industrial solution ensures accurate performance on the shop floor in any lighting conditions.